बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने बीपीपी यूनिवर्सिटी की असेसमेंट की बात की थी और हमने फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट को डिस्कस किया था जो कि सब्जेक्ट ग्लोबल स्ट्रेटजी और सस्टेनेबिलिटी से रिलेटेड थी। आज की वीडियो में हम पर्सनल इफेक्टिवनेस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे और उसकी फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट को डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले जिन दोस्तों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ वो मुझे सब्सक्राइब कर लें। तो आज की वीडियो में हम फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट को डिस्कस करेंगे, उसके ब्रीफ को डिस्कस करेंगे और उसके साथ साथ उसके सॉल्यूशंस को डिस्कस करेंगे कि इस असेसमेंट का क्या आंसर होगा और इस असेसमेंट को आपने कैसे बनाना है। ये वीडियो आप शुरू से एंड तक देखेंगे तो आप एक फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट को इजीली बना सकते हैं जो कि रिलेटेड है पर्सनल इफेक्टिवनेस से। So, in the task 1, you are going to analyze the key competence of the global business leaders using insights from the CEO Genome Project. Evaluate how various business leaders demonstrate or lack essential skills and behaviors related to professional effectiveness. And to support your analysis, we will go through the relevant case studies, additional reading resources, which can be your articles, and broader leadership concepts. And these details can also be get through the online library. So इन resources को यूज़ करते हुए आपने assessment बनानी है। बेसिकली आपकी जो समेटिव असेसमेंट का पार्ट 1 होता है वो फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट होती है और इसके अलावा जब उसी फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट में आप फर्दर सेकंड और थर्ड पार्ट इंक्लूड करते हैं तो वो कंप्लीट आपकी समेटिव असेसमेंट बन जाती है। तो हम इस केस में सिर्फ फर्स्ट पार्ट को डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि आपकी फॉर्मेटिव असेसमेंट है। So this is the assessment brief based on which you have to make assignment. And using the CEO Genome Project only access how different business leaders demonstrate or lack key skills and behaviors of personal effectiveness. So in this case, we will note the word count. The word count should be 1000 word count. It should not exceed 1000 word. So आपको 1000 word की assessment बनानी है. Guidelines include a no anonymity. This means that do not include your name or contact details in the cover letter or any part of your assessment. Just you can use your SRN number, which is BPP number, which starts with BP027 and whatever it is. And then referencing, we will use Harvard referencing style. अगर आप हार्वर्ड रेफरेंसिंग स्टाइल नहीं यूज़ करेंगे तो आपकी असेसमेंट प्लेजरिज्म कंसिडर होगी। इसके अलावा अगर आप को पता हो कि प्लेजरिज्म के केस में सख्त पेनल्टीज़ हैं तो अवॉइड करेंगे, आप किसी किस्म की कोई कॉपी ना करें और इसके अलावा जो भी वर्क करें उसको साइड करें। Along with that, you have to add the cover sheet. I will show you the cover sheet in the next steps. If you miss the cover sheet, your assessment will not be accepted. सो दिस विल बी द रिपोर्ट स्ट्रक्चर। इस स्ट्रक्चर की बेस पे आपने पूरी असेसमेंट बनानी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो है आपने कवर पेज लगाना है, दैट इज़ यूनिवर्सिटी कवर पेज विच इज़ दिस and this is mandatory to add into the first or into the start of the assessment. Along with that, you will create business report title page and that will be like this, and this is the report cover page in which basically you will write what you are going to do. In the third part, you will write the page contents on the page. So that will be like which headings are you going to put in or what topics are you discussing. I'm going to show you in further in future. And after that, you will write introduction of 200 words, task 1 for 800 words, and then you can put conclusion. Please do not forget to add reference. अगर आप जो है वो रेफरेंस को मिस कर देंगे तो आपका वर्क जो है वो प्लेजरिज्म कंसिडर किया जाएगा। दिस इज़ द कवर पेज दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. This is the assessment cover page or title page. Then after that, this is the these are the contents. So basically these are the headings. We'll discuss Genome Project, then will discuss the global leader, which is Steve Jobs, and after that CEO Genome Project and key leader, then deciding with speed and conviction, engaging the impact, adopting proactive, delivering reliably, and then Steve Jobs skills and shortcomings as a business leader, then conclusion and reference. So first of all, we will discuss the CEO Genome Project. The CEO Genome Project conducted by a leadership advisory firm, GH Smart. So it was created by GH Smart and was initiated by Elena and her colleague Kim Powell with contribution from economists and psychologists. So they took the help of psychologists and economists to develop this project. The project aimed to evaluate the performance of 17,000 professionals, including CEO, senior executive, to identify the traits that drive success and enhance performance. So these 17,000 professionals were evaluated to identify that which traits bring success and increase the performance. Along with that, analysis of subset of 500 people individual that those who shared characteristics consistently delivered the highest level of performance. सो वो लोग जिनके दरमियान जो है वो कंसिस्टेंटली जो है वो करेक्टरिस्टिक्स शेयर थी वो हाई परफॉर्मेंस देते थे एज कम्पेयर टू दिस एज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रिपोर्ट एक्सप्लोर्स हाउ ग्लोबल लीडर्स develop the skill necessary for effective performance and identifies the core competence. So I have stated in the last line that what are the purpose of this assessment. And after that, we have discussed the Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs is renewed not only for the realization personal computing, but also for the co-founder of Apple. His journey began with humble beginning, facing challenges such as lack of food and shelter in 1976 alongside Ronald Wine. Jobs played a pivotal role in the development of groundbreaking products like iPod, iPhones, and iPad, known for his exceptional product design skills and natural talent. As a marketer, he helped Apple become one of the most valuable and recognizable brand in the world. This is what we have discussed about Steve Jobs. So always try to add pictures and the data into the assessment to make it more attractive. Then we have discussed the CEO Genome Project and the key leaders. There are following attributes based on which leadership is measured into the CEO Genome Project. So these attributes were discussed in the assessment: deciding with speed and conviction. An effective leader makes decisions promptly, maintaining confidence and commitment even in the face of significant challenges. CEO who lacks the ability to decide with the speed and conviction maybe find it difficult to drive progress and seize opportunities. They risk becoming stuck into the analysis paralysis and resolving in delays that can lead to missed opportunities and lost momentum. So, key attributes of the global leader is basically that we have discussed that the person who can decide with the speed and within abrupt decision maker can be a good business leader. So the person who can decide in short time is the key attribute towards the leadership. The second is engaging into the impact. A successful CEO must possess strong interpersonal skill to achieve optimal results. Leaders who excel at driving impact are better equipped to manage conflicts and resolve organization challenge effectively. They promote fairness by ensuring an equitable distribution of tasks and assigning clear roles to the team members. So additionally, CEO must skillfully balance the interest of board of directors, stakeholders, which require understanding and addressing the concern of all the individuals affectedly by organizational decisions. Then adopting proactive, the person who is going to adopt the changes before time, like if there is any change in the market and if there is any change in the competitive environment, if somebody is changing themselves prior to the market and adopt the changes, then that is the attribute of a global business leader. Effective CEO consistently stay ahead to navigate the challenges of evolving market proactively not only enables them to meet goals on time but also keep them competitive by swiftly adjusting strategies to challenging circumstances. They are confident in making quick decisions with limited information, embracing uncertainty and ambiguity without hesitation. So जो मार्केट लीडर सबसे पहले मार्केट को अडॉप्ट करता है, सबसे ज़्यादा ख़ुद को चेंज करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द मार्केट, that person can easily adopt and can easily be a successful business leader, delivering reliably. So the high achieving CEOs are result driven, maintaining a strong focus on the outcome of their work. Leaders who consistently deliver reliably and perceived as more trustworthy, building relationship rooted in the trust. They prioritize time management to fulfill their commitments effectively, recognizing that effort without the right direction yield no results. These leaders remain focused on achieving meaningful output. They ensure that each team member takes ownership of their assigned tasks. So the person who delivers the task effectively to the right person by fostering a sense of responsibility and accountability and assigning the task to the right person to complete it on time is a successful business leader. Now we will discuss about the skills and the shortcomings of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs possessed a diverse range of skills that align with the triads of an effective leader, as outlined in CEO and Genome Project. Though he also had his shortcomings, so he has positive things, but he has negative as well. He excelled at making a swift and decisive decision choices. So he makes decisions very fast. His innovative ideas significantly enhanced Apple's global reputation. Jobs were a remarkable influencer and communicator, inspiring and motivating his employees to achieve exceptional results. But jobs also have some face challenges in areas such as delegation and work-life balance. He was often described as a micromanager, struggling to delegate tasks effectively. Additionally, he was known for working long hours and holding himself and those around him to very high standards. So he did not have a life and work and life balance. So he used to focus himself towards the work more. Despite these shortcomings, Jobs excited many of the key traits, skills, and behavior outlined in the CEO Genome Project. So overall, there was a success situation for Jobs, and he has built up a business in a most successful way. In the conclusion, everyone encounters challenges in their professional responsibility. The CEO Genome Project identifies areas where a global leader may have shortcomings and provide guidance on how to enhance their skills and capabilities. It helps leaders develop the triads necessary for the success of organization. In a sense, by integrating these insights into the leader practice, business leaders can work towards achieving their goals and driving success. And also we have referenced this work prior to the ending of the assessment. सो उम्मीद करता हूँ आज की वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। जल्द मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।